going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Solo 730 No Stuff. Today we're gonna use ChatGPT. Well, we're gonna attempt to use ChatGPT to create a description for my gaming page because I have no description after all these years. So what we gonna do? We're gonna go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI model. So it says ask anything. What can I help with? Ask anything. So we're gonna say create a script for my gaming. I can't spell. Channel on YouTube. I play Call of Duty, and I should put this in quotation, right? Street Fighter. I should put this in quotations too, right? Should put this in quotations as well. Oh man, picking up the little clicks, click. Create a description for my gaming channel on YouTube. I play Call of Duty and Street Fighter. I am a 45. I forgot my 4 don't work. I need to 45-year-old dad. Okay, let's see what we get. Let's see what we come up with. Hey there, I'm a 45-year-old who still knows how to throw down, whether it's in the war zones of Call of Duty or the intense battles of Street Fighter. This channel is all about gameplay, good vibes, and showing the next generation how us old school gamers do it. Yo, this is fire. Fire. Okay. Expect play that level commentary. Family Man Gamer still got it. Subscribe and join the squad. This is dope. Dope. Let me know if you want more serious or more comedic tone. Nah, this is fire, just the way it is. Expect clutch plays, dad level commentary, the occasional back in my day story, and a whole lot of fun. Whether you're here to learn, laugh, or just hang out, you're in the right place. Yeah, this is fire. I like this. So I want to copy this. We're going to copy this. Then we're going to go to YouTube Studio. This is where the description gonna go. Delete this. All I had was gaming Call of Duty. And we're gonna control. Is it Control V? Wait, hold on. Damn it. My Control V's not working. Okay, so welcome to Dad Mode Gaming. All right, so we're gonna delete this. We don't need this. All right, this is dope. All right, we're gonna put this at the top. Go right here. Put this at the top. Hey there, I'm a 45-year-old dad. I'm doing the battles of Street Fighter. All right, so next time I know to just highlight what I want. Join the squad. Subscribe and join the squad. Yo, I like it. All right, let's proofread this one more time. Hi there, I'm a 45-year-old dad who still know how to throw down, whether it's in the war zone, Call of Duty, or the intense battles of Street Fighter. The channel is all about gameplay, good vibes, showing the next generation how us old school gamers do it. Expect clutch plays, dad level commentary, the occasional back in my day story, and a whole lot of fun. Whether you're here to learn, laugh, or just hang out, you're in the right place. Family man, gamer, still got it. Subscribe and join. This is fire. I see why people like this ChatGPT stuff. We're saving this. All right, what else? And just like that, I gotta add a watermark, and we're gonna save this. How do you save it though? Publish. Changes published. All right. So let's go to the channel. Now, we'll go to your channel. This is my channel. And it is at the top right here. When people go here, this is what they're going to see. Click more. How they am for you. Yep, the description right there. Or just hang out. You're in the right place. Yo, man. And easy as that. Yo, this literally saved me like a good 30 minutes trying to come up with that. And that's it, man. ChatGPT is the real deal. And mind you, I am a login. If you log in to ChatGPT, let me see. Let me show y'all real quick. If you log in to ChatGPT up here, you'll get even better results because it customizes it. Like, if I would have logged in, it would have known my name was Solo730. It would have known stuff about me. When I'm doing my business stuff, it knows what certifications I have already. Yo, man, better lock in on this ChatGPT. I might use this. I need to make a couple dollars. So I might ask ChatGPT how to make a couple dollars. All right, but until next time, thanks for checking out the video. Solo730 know stuff. Please like and subscribe. Also like and subscribe my other page, Solo730. We can play some games. That's why I do my live stream and just have some fun. All right, thanks for watching. GG's.